Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively. First, understand your exam pattern and marking scheme thoroughly. Next, create a consistent study schedule that you can realistically follow each day. Always prioritize understanding concepts deeply over rote memorization. Finally, practice regularly with past papers and sample questions to build confidence and identify areas for improvement. This approach will set a strong foundation. To truly master science concepts, begin by breaking down large topics into smaller, more digestible sections. Utilize visual aids like diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps to see connections and processes clearly. Instead of just rereading notes, actively recall information to test your memory. A great technique is to explain concepts aloud to someone else. This helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps. Consistent practice and smart revision are crucial for success. Make sure to solve a wide variety of numerical problems and practical applications to apply your knowledge. Regularly revise all your subjects, giving extra attention to those challenging topics. Identify your weak areas early and dedicate focused time to strengthen them. Taking timed mock tests will significantly improve your speed and accuracy under exam conditions. On exam day, effective time management is key. Read every question carefully before you begin writing any answers to ensure you understand the requirements fully. Present your answers clearly and concisely, using appropriate diagrams or examples where helpful. Most importantly, stay calm and confident. Trust in your preparation and approach each question with a clear mind. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.